Hey guys! Welcome back to another episode of our how-tos. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is magbabayad ng Meralco using GCash app. Pero subscribe ka muna sa channel ko. Give you some love! Hey! So without further ado, let's go! So first, open mo lang yung Meralco mo using your browser. So punta ka sa bills payment, bill summary. Ayan, hintayin lang natin siya mag-load. Be patient enough para paghihintay mo ng jowa. Char! Ayan. So it will lead you to this page wherein dito mo makikita yung mga bills ninyo. So, pwede mo siyang i-filter kung gusto mo lang yung mga unpaid lang yung lalabas or lahat. Then, click mo lang yung icon next to the check mark para ma-open mo yung bill na gusto mong bayaran. So, scroll down mo lang para makita mo yung mga information about the bill. And then, take note of the Meralco reference number kasi gagamitin mo yan kapag nagbayad ka mamaya sa GCash. As much as possible, copy mo na dito pa lang yung Meralco reference number mo para paste ka na lang later and then double check. Next is open your GCash. Just click on the pay bills. So, yan. Since first time ka magbabayad sa GCash, bibigyan niya ka instruction. You can just pause this video if you want to read first instruction. So there, choose electric utilities sa biller categories since Meralco yung babayaran natin. And then from this list, hanapin mo lang yung Meralco, then click on it. Now, dito mo makikita yung information needed para sa payment mo for Meralco. So, kung meron ka ring outstanding bill from the past months and you opted to pay using GCash, kailangan mo siyang bayaran hiwa-hiwalay kasi magkakaiba yung Meralco reference number niya. Now, let's fill it out. For the pay for, isa lang naman yung option niya, which is total current amount. Ibig sabihin nun yung total current amount no bill mo for that month na babayaran mo. Para sa Meralco ref number, if you have the hard copy of the bill, you can just scan it. I-scan mo lang yung barcode sa baba ng total amount due. Or if may access ka online, pwede mo na lang i-copy yung Meralco ref number dun sa bill mo and then paste it here. Take note ha, dapat i-check mo mabuti yung kinopy mo Meralco reference number kasi magkakaiba yan per bill. Kung magkano yung due mo doon sa Meralco reference number na kinopy mo, yun dapat yung exact amount ng babayaran mo. Next, pwede mo na i-type yung exact amount ng babayaran mo for that bill. And then, enter your email address, pero ito optional lang siya. Yan, so ito ang ginagawa ko lang dito is double check ko if tama ba yung amount na in-input ko dyan sa GCash. For me, it's better na ilagay mo na yung email address mo para meron kang receipt ng transaction na ginawa mo dito sa GCash. Do final checks, then if sure ka na sa mga details mo, then click on next lang. Dito sa page na to, GCash will let you review and confirm the information you have inputted dito sa app nila. So, check lang ulit. Then, once okay naman yung mga details, then confirm mo lang. Ayan. So, ito na yung pinaka-confirmation ni GCash and as you can see, meron akong receive na email. Bayan, tumalo yung aso. So, screenshot mo lang yan or pwede mo i-download dun sa upper left corner ng screen mo. And then, you're done. Hindi siya real time pero mapopost naman siya within 24 hours. Tapos kung nag-wonder ka if pwede ka magbayad ng past due or overdue Meralco bills, yes, you can do that. But take note na yung exact amount ng babayaran mo is same dun na sa Meralco bill mo. Sundan mo lang yung steps na ginawa natin kanina to pay your overdue bill and then you're good to go. If you still have questions, just comment down below. And if nagustuhan mo yung video na to and helpful sa'yo, please like and subscribe. Thank you! Bye!